Hello and welcome to another Hot Wheels unboxing, and in today's video I got something different. I got 3 mystery models, and the first one is number 1 in the series. Let's open it, and here it is. Now this is a 10 out of 12 Street Creeper. I did not know that there were sets of 12, I only knew there were mystery model sets of 3. I mean 10. And the next one is this mystery model. Let's open it. And here it is. Now this is a 4 out of 12. As you can see here, it's a Whoop Coop. I could have gotten a Supra. That would have been cool. And the last mystery model is a third one. Let's open it. And here it is. Now this is a number 9 Carbide. And that's it. Personally, I like the orange one the most out of here. There. That's it for this unboxing, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.